Do you want to learn about graphic design or just enhance your skills? Then you're in the right spot. Hi, my name is Laurie with Chrysalis Graphic Design. I provide tips, tricks, tutorials, and product reviews to help your ideas take flight. I have a bachelor's degree in psychology, a master's in early childhood education, but I really decided that I wanted to follow my passion for creativity, so I went back to school again, and I got my graphic design certificate, and I've been working as a professional graphic designer for the last 8 years. I started this channel because I still love teaching, and I want to share my knowledge to help you take your designs to the next level. I upload new videos every week, and I'd love to hear what you want to learn about. So let me know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss anything. Ring the bell to get notified every time I post a new video.